Hi guys, I just want to take a few seconds to recap the last video before we dive into today's video.
The principles, the processes, the planning strategies, and the psychology of creativity. You see, the Blokes Guide is not how to follow somebody else's idea of a great idea book. That's kind of like culinary plagiarism. Now, I've got nothing against recipe books. I use them, I love them. And I don't know about you, but I just like to get into the kitchen sometimes and just come up with an idea and just make it happen. And so there is, again, I'm not against recipes, but that's not what the Blokes Guide is all about. To kickstart your thinking processes, we use the first planner, which is the Quickie head planner, and then the performance on the plate planner, and then to get the... Okay guys, so you should have your own copy of the Quickie head planner, and the performance on the plate planner can wait for the next video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go through each of these boxes and just fill them out really quickly. The Quickie head planner is kind of like your Kickstarter for getting your ideas into your head. So let's just fill it out now. And I'm going to go really fast. And what I want you to do is don't question, just write probably the first thing that pops into your head, and let's face it, you can change it at any time you want. Okay, so first question is choose your protein. Chicken. Second question, choose your veg. What goes with chicken? Avocado, tomatoes, asparagus, broccoli. Go on, do it. We're still in our boxes, dude. Do it. We're still in our boxes, dude. Do it. We're still in our boxes, dude. Next, choose your flavours. Well, I like spicy, so I'm going to go. Heat, so pepper. And of course, you almost always have to put a bit of salt in to just lift the flavours up. Choose your textures. Well, we've got, what do we got? We've got rice. And we're going to go so you can see we've now got the makings of an idea. It's kind of like we put the mud on the potter's wheel and we're starting to shake it up a bit. Of course, now you've got to know how to cook the damn thing, otherwise, well, it's going to end up just a pile of ingredients on the plate. So, how do you want to cook your chicken? Fry pan. How do you want to cook your avocados, your tomatoes, your broccoli and asparagus? Let's go fry pan again. Let's keep it simple. How do you want to cook your sauce? The rice will need a rice cooker or a boiler. Let's look at herbs and spices. Well, we're just going to shake them on. So already it's starting to sound like, not only is it just starting to sound like an idea, it's starting to take the shape of the process and it's starting to look like. Now, what tools do you need? If you go to the next column, well, to do the frying, you need a fry pan. The veg, we're frying them, so that's another fry pan. The sauce, well, we'll need a saucepan. The flavours, cooking up the flavours, so let's look at what we've done. Summarise. These are the ingredients, these are the processes, these are the tools, and now what we're going to do is the timings. The sauce, well, that's going to take quite a while to develop the flavours, so we're going to make it 25. I always think add in a little extra time than you probably think you need, because you don't want to have to panic and pull it together at the last second. So cooking the chicken, I'm going to use chicken fillets, so I'm going to fry them, so I'm looking at about 15 minutes. Now what you need to do is figure out the order of cooking, because you tend to need to do the slow things first. And in this case, the sauce is going to take the longest time. So that's the thing we get started with. So what I'm doing now is down the side here, I'm putting the order of cooking. Okay, so guys, here we have our ingredients, our processes, our tools, our timings, and our sequence. Now what I want you to do is look at your production notes down the bottom and just think, well, what else do I need? I'm going to need cutting boards.
Hi guys, I hope you liked today's video. In next week's video, we're going to show you how to use the Quickie Head Planner Organizer that you've just filled out and take those ideas and get them out of your head and put them on the plate. Post them, please hit the subscribe button down below. I'm Jim O'Connor, author of the Blokes Guide to Brilliant Cooking, signing out from Kitchen HQ. Have a great day.